Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I would like to share with you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose biometrics and security. Following that, tap on face recognition and enter your current login method. Then read the disclaimer and choose continue. After that, remember to keep your face in frame until you see 100% mark. Now you can click on this switcher over here to disable or enable stay on lock screen until swipe feature. When you're ready, select done and adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to. Then click on home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Samsung. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!